Yay! It's laundry day. Maisie Off-Grid Ranch. So, got the water turned on. Oh, there it is. Filling up the washing machine. And I flipped that switch with my 12-volt water pump. And I flipped the switch in there. And just filling it up. I already got the suds and stuff in there, or the detergent stuff in there. I'm just gonna probably, I don't know, 3 loads, 4 loads. But this is it. Filling this up with water. It'll probably take about 5 or 6 minutes, I'd imagine, maybe a little longer. And then I'm gonna let it run for a long time. This whole bucket here is full of the really dirty stuff, like my jeans and towels, stuff like that. But mainly it's going to be chonies and jeans and towels and washcloths. The main thing I use here. But yeah, this is a fun day on the ranch. I got the cord going in the window for the motorhome, the electric cord. And on the water. The water's eventually coming from that tank over there. All right, it's full. So I'm gonna turn on the washing part of it. And when this ever gets too full, there's a overflow drain back there, so you don't have to worry about that. Oh, turn the water off. Get everything smushed down in the water good. Air bubbles don't get clean. I just let that run for, turn on for 15 minutes. Those are the really dirty stuff, so I'll probably drain that water out and fill it up again and wash them again. It's just barely been running. You can already see how dirty that water is. That's filthy. Right? So most of that's from my jeans. So, yep, doing laundry. Yay! Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. They're predicting that this weekend we should be, is it this weekend? In the next few days anyway, we should be done with the clouds. So, alright. But this is it. As soon as it shuts off, I'll get more videos later. Now, open up the drain and drain the water into the base of my mesquite tree. This is only the first time I'm washing this stuff. Like I said, that water's dirty. And that was after soaking all night in that bucket. And I didn't use that water. So it's basically the second time washing now. As soon as it drains, that's one of my rain gutters that I got for my rain collection system. I got more pieces of gutter over there. And there's a box with all the fittings and the downspouts and all that sort of stuff. So I have everything except buckets to put, or a big bucket to put the water into. So, yeah, just drain this. I'll fill it back up, put some more detergent in there, and wash them again. What's wrong, Ruger? You're whining. Something's wrong. So you want more food. Bottomless pits there. Just wanted to show you what I'm doing here. Here I'm washing clothes. Sitting out on the patio table. Surfing the internet. on a beautiful morning. Let's see. Well, see, I got my Hotmail open. I don't know if you can see that or not, but go to YouTube. I don't know what you can see. See, it's not all that slow out here. Well, this is what I'm doing on a beautiful day like today. Except the clouds have moved in. Still monsoon season. Said the meteorologist said, oh no, Saturday should be sunny and clear, and well, it was. But that's the direction it's moving. So this is what's coming. So, it's alright. Still on my first load. I'm making sure they get clean. That water has just been so filthy every time. So, almost, yep, it's just about done washing. Actually, they're done rinsing. So I'm gonna move them over to the other side. Alright. There's my jeans. They should be clean now. Many times as they've been washed. That's normally all you can fit. And I bet I don't have them packed in there right. So they'll probably show up as unbalanced. Oh, look at that. Running for a few minutes. Spin all the water out of them. But that's how much water is coming out of it. Out of those jeans. As they're spinning. So it's quite a bit of water. Like I said, they'll spin for a couple minutes and I'll hang them up. Move the rest of the clothes over to the spinner and start throwing some more in the washer. Because everybody knows what doing laundry is like. Very few people have ever done it off-grid without being plugged into an electrical outlet, or, well, actually I am plugged into an electrical outlet. On the inside, it's plugged directly into the inverter. Oh, and I did see the tag back here that showed exactly how much energy it uses. 240 to wash and 120 to spin. Total power when everything's running 360 watts. Hell of a deal. So, alright, back to it. I'm gonna sit down over there and while that's doing what it's doing and enjoy the internet. Alright, I got some more things pre-soaking before I throw them in the washing machine. But, because I'm still finishing washing the first load. But I was just thinking about it. As many times as I've used this thing, as many loads as I've washed, I'm probably right about the break-even point now as far as taking the clothes to a laundromat or doing them on this thing as far as what this cost me. And I was just thinking, it's like, if this thing ever breaks down, I'm going to buy another one. That's how good this thing is. That's how long it's lasted. Like I said, I'm at the close to break-even point. I don't know. I'm figuring $1.50 a wash and $1.50 a dry, because I don't dry clothes. I just put them in a little spinner and whoosh, spins all the water out. Better than I could wring them out. Yeah, that's about as good of an endorsement as I can give a product. I would buy it again. I will buy it again when this one fries. So I think this is the dog run serving double duty as the clothesline. That's all I washed today. Now, without that machine, and my being a guy, I'll give you an idea. You can just imagine how long it would be without that machine, how long it would be before I actually did laundry. I mean, I've got enough of everything, chonies and pants and shirts and everything to last probably 5-6 months. But then I'd be out here for 2 days straight washing in this thing, so that doesn't sound like fun. All right, you guys have a fun day. Take care. Bye.